Did you see that box? I just got a shipment of some vegan ice cream from Perry's. I can't wait!
Alright, hit it.
Okay, so out of the blue, about a week ago, I got an email from Perry's. Not sure if you're familiar with Perry's ice cream. I'm pretty sure they're available everywhere. I'll look that up for you, but Perry's is an ice cream that I grew up with. Now, of course, being vegan, I had to quit Perry's, right? And try all the other vegan ice creams. So, I'm so excited to let you know, if you haven't heard yet, Perry's is making an oats cream. It's an ice cream made from oat milk, which I've heard comes from Elmhurst, 1925, my favorite non-dairy milk right now, out of Elma, New York. So this is all representing New York. This box just came in the mail. Super excited to open up. It's kind of like one of those unboxing videos.
I'm right in. Oh, what the fuck is that?
In here is ice cream and dry ice. So you're gonna see it first, along with me. It says, caution, this package contains dry ice, which, by the way, you should never touch. As tempting as it is, don't play around with dry ice. So in here is a brochure about the Perry's ice cream. Oats cream, dairy-free, has found its sweet spot introducing oats cream. And so apparently, which I'm like overwhelmed by right now, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different flavors. Blueberry pancake, oat latte, peanut butter and cookies, apple strudel, coconut caramel, peanut butter coffee cake, and snickerdoodle. Snickerdoodle is one of my favorite flavors. And here says oats cream. Dear Eric, thank you for collaborating with us on the exciting launch of Perry's Oats Cream. We're excited to share our new line of dairy-free, plant-based frozen desserts with you, and can't wait to see your creative posts on social media. So here I am. This is my creative post on social media, or at least one of them. There's gonna be stuff on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram. I'll put something on Facebook. Follow me on Facebook. And of course, here on YouTube, you get to watch this video. So, this is the beginning of my oats cream adventure. Peel off the, yes! Oh, this is good stuff, everybody. Oh my gosh, still frozen solid in the dry ice. They actually sent me all 7 flavors in the dry ice. Underneath the dry ice, they sent me a Perry's scoop, some little sample cups, some spoons, and then I think, well, let's find out what's in this box. I think this is also, this is the mug, the ceramic mug that they sent me to display the ice creams in. So, once again, well, I don't have to open that right now. There's a mug. There are these little sample cups. So all of you can come over and get your little sample of Perry's ice cream or Perry's oats cream. We just gotta start calling it oats cream. I think this is so clever and so wonderful. And I love you, Perry's. I've loved you since I was a kid. Growing up in Binghamton, ate a lot of Perry's, and now there's dairy-free flavors. So here is the oat latte. That's the first flavor in the package. Blueberry pancakes. You've got to be kidding me with this. That's a crazy flavor. I can't wait to try. Apple strudel. For years, I've thought that someone should make an apple ice cream because you eat ice cream with apple pie.
Baked on a buttery, crispy crust.
Dak, flaky.
I thought I said flaky.
So this might be close to that. Apple strudel, oats cream, snickerdoodle. It's probably gonna be the first one I try. Can't wait. Again, these all came super frozen solid in the dry ice. I'm so excited. Coconut caramel. My fingers are now numb. Peanut butter and cookies. This is gonna be delicious. And then finally, peanut butter and coffee cake. So Perry's is absolutely blowing me away with these flavors right now. And since 1922, Perry's has been making ice cream, and now it's 2019, and they're making dairy-free oats cream for everyone to enjoy. I can't wait. Thank you, Perry's. Stay tuned for the rest of the video, either here or on YouTube or on Facebook or somewhere. I gotta hit pause because I gotta get this stuff in the freezer, but so excited this is here. And if it's in your store, when it's in your store, definitely pick up Perry's, even before trying it. I know you're gonna want this stuff. So thanks for tuning in, and comment, like, and subscribe.